The original proper popper. Red popcorn bowl is a simple and effective tool for making popcorn in the microwave. It's made of silicone, so it's flexible and collapses for easy storage. The bright red color is a nice touch. It's also BPA-free, which is important for food safety. Using it is straightforward. You just pour your popcorn kernels into the bowl, fold down the sides, and microwave. The silicone material evenly distributes the heat, which helps prevent burning. The original proper popper. Red popcorn bowl eliminates the need for oil, so you get a healthier snack. The results are generally good, with most kernels popping. Some kernels may remain unpopped, but that's normal with any popcorn making technique. Cleaning is a breeze too, as it's dishwasher safe. This popcorn maker is convenient. It's a good alternative to bagged microwave popcorn, which often contains unhealthy additives. The collapsible design is a big plus, especially if you have limited kitchen space. There's no complicated assembly involved. You simply unfold it, add the kernels, and pop. It's also suitable for people who are mindful of their fitness and diet. You can add your own seasonings after popping, allowing for more control over the flavor. The original proper popper. Red popcorn bowl is a practical kitchen gadget. It's a basic representation of a simple, effective popcorn making solution. You can also use it to roast nuts in the oven, though it's primarily designed for popcorn. Overall, the original proper popper. Red popcorn bowl delivers what it promises. It's a no-fuss way to make popcorn. It's not a fancy device, but it does the job well. There are no bristles or strainers involved, just a simple silicone bowl. The microwave does all the work. It's a good choice for anyone who wants a quick and easy snack without the mess of traditional stovetop popcorn. For its price, it offers good value and makes healthy popcorn with minimal effort. It simplifies the process and allows for a customizable snacking experience. Pros: easy and convenient, healthy popcorn, easy to clean, easy to store, works very well, pops all kernels, no oil needed, quick popcorn, affordable, little waste, good popcorn, solid. Product cons: bowl is thin, nearly flimsy, no oil. Seasoning won't stick, need to watch to avoid burning, must add toppings after popping, must shake out dust after use, need to rinse and let dry, overfilling blows the top off, care needed. When handling, no oil can be used, need to use ghee or butter to add flavor features. Microwave popcorn maker, silicone material, collapsible bowl, BPA-free, dishwasher safe, red color, proper popper brand, original design, easy to use, reusable. The original proper popper is a red, reusable bowl made of flexible silicone for making popcorn in the microwave. It folds down for easy storage and is safe to wash in the dishwasher. It's designed to be simple to use and doesn't contain harmful BPA chemicals. This red silicone popcorn popper offers a quick, oil-free way to make popcorn in the microwave. It's collapsible for easy storage and dishwasher safe for simple cleaning. Users like that it's affordable and produces little waste, popping most kernels well. However, the bowl is thin, and without oil, seasonings don't stick, requiring toppings to be added after popping. It's important to watch closely to avoid burning and to rinse out dust after use. Some find the lack of oil a drawback, as it necessitates using ghee or butter for flavor. Overfilling can cause the top to pop off, so care is needed during use.